So students, this is day 4 activity. uh, so in the first part of project we had completed the first coding of Warrior Sprite. In the second part of coding we had completed the coding for Virus Sprite and second part coding of Warrior Sprite. As you know that the Warrior Sprite coding will divide it into 4 parts. So also we have completed the second part coding. Now the third part of project. In the third part of project, what we have to do in third part of project, we'll develop the coding for Vaccine Sprite. So we'll also learn how to create variable. We'll also develop the third part coding of Warrior Sprite. So in this activity, we learn how to write the coding for Vaccine Sprite, how we can make the Vaccine Sprite, how we can create the variable, and the third part coding of Warrior Sprite. So here, how the Vaccine Sprite looks like. So your Vaccine Sprite will look like this. You have to make it, just edit it by taking the sprite from the library. After that, here it is given the coding for Vaccine Sprite. You can see this coding also from the PDF and you can apply it into the Scratch application where you are going to make the codings. You are going to write the codings. You can see it and you can apply it from there. So this is the coding. Don't annotate. So here you will apply the codings. This is the coding for Vaccine Sprite. It is given over here, and the third part coding of Warrior Sprite. In third part, what we have to do in this code, a score, a speed and health. You can see here a score, a speed and health. Three variables need to be created. How we'll create, we'll see in the application. So these three variable will create in the third part coding of Warrior Sprite. Whenever Robo Warrior Sprite will receive the message getting vaccine, the vaccine, whenever the vaccine will get the Sprite Robo Warrior, the score will game score will be changed to 100. Also his health becomes 100. पहले इसका हेल्थ 0 रहेगा, जब वैक्सीन मिल जाएगा देन इट्स his health will also be improved and it will goes to the 100. And we are using the speed variable for making for reducing the health by -2. We'll see uh, step stepwise manner how the coding will write. So now I am going to start the coding. So you have to go on this site. You have to go on this site, scratch.mit.edu. You have to just log in by your username account. After that, you can go in my stuff, and here it is given the part 2 coding. You can just see it. wait, keep patience, Scratch is loading. So here, first I will give the title here, part 3 project, and I will share this project. And now we'll start writing the code. So first we'll write the code for, first we'll add the sprite vaccine. So how we'll add the sprite vaccine? You go to choose a sprite from library. You in search you have to just write button. You will see here the button 2 will appear. You should click over there. Now you should reduce its size to 50. Size is reduced. From here you can reduce the size. Now I will just do some editing in its costume. So I'm going to delete this sprite, and here I'm going to write some text. So here I have written vaccine. So you can similarly you can write the vaccine over here. Now the sprite vaccine is designed. Now you can write the name here vaccine. So I have created the vaccine sprite. Now I have to go in the code part, and now I have to write the code. So first we need to go in the event block. In the event, when flag when flag clicked command will be there in the event block. From event block, see, from the block we are always getting the commands. So there are different blocks. From event block we should take when flag click command. Now we should uh, set the position of vaccine at the random position. Go to random position. I have set it. मैंने इसका position random कर दिया. Now the position is random. Now what you have to do is, okay, Abhishek sir, you can unmute.
Okay, sir.
So go to random position, and after that in control block you should add forever block, and in the
Excuse me,
forever,
sir. One unknown student is there. No.
Now in the forever block, you have to see here in the code part, forever block, you have to take point towards robo barrier, and after that turn 180 degree. So now in motion block, we'll see the point towards. Here point towards will be added, and here I will just make it by clicking over this robo barrier. So the vaccine will be point towards robo barrier, then turn it, you can turn it for 180 degree. Now you should click over there this circle, and you can change this 180. ये पहले वैक्सीन जो है रोबो बैरियर के टुवर्ड्स रहेगा, बट it should now turn 180 degree. After that move some steps, move 14 steps, it will move 14 steps, then again point towards. After moving 14 steps, sorry, it is point in direction, we have to take point towards, again point towards the virus 1 or virus 2, virus 1 or virus 2. So point towards virus 2. After that again move 10 steps. So you can see whenever I will flag will be clicked, it will be go, vaccine will go to the random position, रैंडम पोजीशन आप देखिए, और ये रैंडम पोजीशन पे चला गया। देखिए जब भी हम क्लिक करेंगे, देखिए वैक्सीन यहाँ चला गया। whenever I will click, the vaccine will move into the random position. So point towards robo barrier, after that turn 180 degree, move 14 steps, and point towards virus 2. After that move 10 steps. And after that what we have to do, we have to take the, we have to put some condition. So I should take if block, see how you can take the commands from block. You should which whatever the command you should want to enter, you should simply uh, press and hold left mouse button over there and drag it by holding the pressing left mouse button. आपको लेफ्ट माउस बटन को होल्ड किए हुए इसको ऐसे ड्रैग करना है और यहाँ पे लाकर यहाँ पे फिट करना है। जब तक फिट नहीं हो तब तक आपको दबाए रखना है लेफ्ट माउस बटन। यू हैव टू प्रेस एंड होल्ड। So if block, now what I have to do here, if the vaccine will touch the robo barrier, ये वैक्सीन जो है अगर रोबो बैरियर को लग जाता है वैक्सीन, then so here touching sensing blocks, we should get the touching command from if touching, then you should press, you should just enter into this block. You can see the here the white sign will come, that means now the box is enabled to fit. Now you can fit into this. After that what you should do, you should click on the robo barrier. So if touching robo barrier, then what will happen, see, go to the random position again. जब ये वैक्सीन रोबो बैरियर को टच करेगा, then vaccine will go to the random position and the broadcast vaccine. So now go to the random position. You should go in the motion block and you should add here random position and broadcast. Then message will go to the robo warrior sprite that I have got the vaccine. So broadcast here and broadcast what? The new message which is vaccine. You should click on the new message and you should write vaccine over here. Now click OK. So now the coding for vaccine sprite is finished. Coding for vaccine sprite is finished. Now what we have to do next is we should write some coding for the robo warrior sprite. So what we should write over there? See, in this part also some coding is left, we should write later. So now we should write the coding this. Now the vaccine, whenever the vaccine will be vaccine, the robo warrior get the vaccine, then the message will come in the robo warrior for receiving the vaccine. So now from event block I will when I receive command. So when I receive vaccine, देखिए, the first part of robo warrior sprite coding, this is the first part, this is second part, this is third part. One part we also need to develop. So here we should receive here vaccine. So when I receive vaccine, here you can see change score by 100, set speed to -2, set health to 100. Now how we'll do this? So first I will make the variable here. So how we'll create the variable? So you should go in the variable block here, and in the variable block we should here make a variable. Wait. So we should make the variable over here. So how we can make? We should go in the variable and we should just here create the variable, and variable I will write a score. You can see here the score is coming. Now we should click over there and you can just put here a score. Now again we have to create the second variable named speed and health. First I am going to create the variables. Now again I am going to create variable speed. Now I will click hold left mouse button and I can just give the position to this variable as per our wants. Now again I should create the third variable, which is health. Health. Now click on OK. Now three variables we have created here. Now as you have created the variables, now some commands will come over here. So you can see here you have to use change a score by 100, and for speed and health you have to set the speed to -2, set health to 100. दोनों के लिए सेट कमांड यूज करना है और स्कोर के लिए चेंज. सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट आई शुड डू, set a speed. Here I will just take the set command. No, first we should change command I should take here, and I should click over here, and here we should use a score. After that set command, and here I should click over there, and I should change here 100. Now again what I have to do, set command I have to use, and set health I should click on this circle and put -2. Again here set a speed to -2. Now set health. जब इसे वैक्सीन मिल जाएगा तो हेल्थ भी इसका 100 हो जाएगा, अच्छा हो जाएगा. Now it should be 100. Now whenever, चूंकि since the robo warrior sprite get infected with the virus, so its costume had been already changed. Now whenever they will get the vaccine, now the again costume will be changed to the original one. So what I should do here, go to the looks block and switch costume to robo warrior. Now once, देखिए ये जब इसको वैक्सीन मिल जाएगा, वैक्सीन तो इतना आसानी से मिलने वाला है नहीं, बट वेन देखिए इसके अब चेंज भी हो रहे हैं. So now you can see that something score will also be increasing health speed. So we need to some also add some codes, which we'll do in the next class. So the first part of this is warrior sprite. The first part, second part, third part we have developed. Now one part we need to develop, and we should add some background. So tomorrow we'll give the final touch of this activity, this project. So now I'm going to allow you to ask your doubts one by one. So the today activity is finished. Now you can ask your doubts. Now you can just raise the questions.
Sir, please repeat this